In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be covering how to do a single arm reverse cable fly. So if you've never used the cable machine before, the first thing you want to do is make sure you've selected a weight that's really light, especially if you've never done this before. Start off with a really light weight, get used to the form and technique of the exercise, then progress the weight from there. Now in terms of setup, you'll notice just here on this cable machine, it's got a pin mechanism. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the pin out, and for most people doing this exercise, they're going to be the lowest setting or maybe a couple up from the lowest setting. You can't go wrong with the lowest setting. It just means if you're a taller individual, you're going to have to arch over a little bit more when you do the exercise. What you're looking for is the single handle pulley attachment. And with these, they're just carabiners that pop open. You pop your attachment in and it locks in and fastens like so. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand just slightly behind this pulley and to the side of it. So I'm not directly in line with the pulley. I've got one step back. I'm now going to pick up the pulley attachment. You want a nice straight back. From here I'm bent over, so I've got my hips back, my back straight, looking up, and what I'm going to do now is come directly away from the machine and back in. Directly away from the machine and back in. You're looking to feel this in the back of your shoulder, so what's called the rear deltoid. And when you're doing all of your repetitions, you want to make sure that your body's completely square, so you're not rotating with the weight, you're not arching your lower back too much into a hunched over position, or alternatively extending too much. Nice straight spine when you're doing this, and of course keep your core engaged throughout the entirety of the exercise. Once you've done your first side, all you're going to do is switch over. Again, I'm a step behind where the pulley is. I'm side onto the pulley, and from here I can repeat exactly the same steps for my next side. That is how to do a single arm reverse fly on one of these cable machines. You repeat that for your desired reps and sets.